Need some delicious recipes this summer? Want to get children involved in some cooking? Well, take a look at our summer recipes. This Key Stage 1 Summer Recipe Pack is full of delicious summer recipes for you to make with your students or children. Recipes include ice cream sandwiches, butterfly shortbread biscuits, strawberry tarts, and many more. Delicious! Cooking is a great way to help children practice their fine motor skills, understanding measurement and time, and promoting healthy eating. This pack is great if you're preparing for school bake sales, or if you have any celebrations at home. Why not get children to bake some of the recipes? So, what are you waiting for? Head on over to the Twinkl website now to download this resource. Until next time, bye for now.